Now, this COVIDSafe app for our phones. Did I sign up for it? Yes, I did. I've got it on my phone. Am I excited about it? No. I'm not fond of giving governments information, and I don't need another app on my phone. But fair suck of the sauce bottle, as they say. I'm not paranoid about the virus. I'm not scared about getting it myself. I'm like most people, I'm worried about vulnerable people like my parents and all elderly people, those in aged care homes and the like. And I'm certainly worried about making sure we don't lose control of this virus and end up overwhelming our hospital system as we've seen overseas. We've done the hard yards, we've shut off our borders, built up hospital capacity, improved our hygiene practices and dramatically reduced the spread of the virus. So we need to get our country moving again, gradually reopen businesses, gradually get back to sport and socialising, and the app will help, just by ensuring authorities know they can contact people quickly when there's been an infection, so they can trace us and warn us that we might need a test or the like. Chief Medical Officer Brendan Murphy has already praised the cooperation of Australians.
It's been really, really great, the uptake by the Australian community, because they know that this is about protecting them. It's about helping our public health officials do their job, and that's all it is.
I find it hard to comprehend people opposing this. Don't we just all want to do our bit to protect people, to help people reopen their businesses, to help them get back to work? There are people opposing this who have Medicare cards, who have a tax file number, who have Facebook accounts and Twitter accounts and Instagram accounts on their phone. There are people posting pictures of their every meal, where they are, what they're doing, who they're with, their thoughts of the moment on politics or whatever, you know the stuff. But they oppose an app that might tell them if they've had an infected person sitting next to them on the train in the last few days. Opposition to this app is either silly or paranoid, or both. What do they want to hide? Scared the government will know who they're hanging with? We've heard enough over the years from the anti-vaxxers. Do the anti-appers realise they seem to be a new version of the anti-vaxxers? The anti-appers are just as dangerous as the anti-vaxxers, and they're just as selfish, making a stand for themselves that can only make this pandemic more problematic for the rest of us. Anti-appers, just download it. You can even post a pic to Instagram to virtue signal about it if you like.